Dear students, we are going to discuss negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix is obtained by changing the signs of all the elements of given matrix. Example here, matrix A is equal to having elements 1, minus 2, 3 and 4. Then its negative matrix is obtained. Minus A is equal to matrix having elements minus 1, 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix A is got by interchanging its rows and columns. It is denoted by A transpose. Example here, matrix A is equal to matrix having element 1, 0, 2, 2, minus 1 and 3. Then its A transpose is equal to matrix having element 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2 and 3. Exercise 1.2. Here fourth question is find the negative of a matrices A, B, C, D and E when A is equal to matrix having element 1, 0, minus 1, B is equal to matrix having element 3, minus 1, 2, 1, C is equal to matrix having element 2, 3, 6, 2, D matrix having element minus 3, 2, minus 4, 5 and E is equal to matrix having element 1, 2, minus 5 and 3. So if A is equal to matrix having element 1, 0 and minus 1, then its negative of A is equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. Similarly here B is equal to matrix having element 3, minus 1, 2 and 1, then its negative of B is equal to matrix having element minus 3, 1, minus 2 and minus 1. C is equal to 2, 6, 3, 2, then its minus C, negative matrix C is becomes minus 2, minus 6, minus 3 and minus 2. Similarly, you can find the negative matrices of D and E. Question 5. Find the transpose of the following matrices. If A is equal to matrix having element 0, 1 and minus 2, then its transpose A transpose is equal to matrix having 0, 1, minus 2. In matrix A here only one column, so in A transpose a matrix having only one row. Similarly, B is equal to matrix having element 5, 1, minus 6 is a matrix having only one row, so its transpose B transpose is equal to 5, 1, minus 6 is a matrix having only one column. Similarly, C is equal to matrix having element 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, then C transpose